Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Java 6 JDK and install the Eclipse integrated development environment as well. And just to let you know, I'm doing this on the Ubuntu Linux platform. And we'll go ahead and get started here. First thing, you'll want to install the Sun Java 6 JDK. And to do so, we'll go here. And this should bring you to the latest downloads they have for the JDK. And to do any development in Java at all, this is absolutely required to have. So we'll just click the download link here. And as you can see, there's several different operating systems you can download this JDK for. And that's part of the beauty of Java, is that it's cross-platform. That means you can run Java programs on Linux and Windows and Solaris, and they'll all pretty much perform similarly. Now first you'll have to accept the license agreement and pick one of these, whether you want to download offline, which is a full installation, or do an online installation, which you would download a small program that would in turn download the rest of the JDK for you. I just usually pick the offline installation. If you're using Linux, you can download this, or if you're using Ubuntu, you can actually go into accessories here, go into the terminal, and do sudo apt get install sun java 6 JDK. And when you press enter on that, you'll have the option of downloading the JDK, and Ubuntu will automatically install it for you. It's pretty easy, simple, works well. But keep in mind you can only do this if you're using Ubuntu. And I already have it installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and X out here. And next, after you get this installed, go to www.eclipse.org. And here you'll want to go right into the downloads link. And as you can see here, there's several different types of Eclipse you can download, but all we need is Eclipse Classic. And the nice thing about this, if you have, say, a Windows and a Linux machine, you can run Eclipse on both of them and switch your Java programs in between them without any problems usually. You have Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X here, all as options. And as you can see here, this web page automatically detected that I was using Linux. So I'll just go ahead and download this here. And it'll ask you what mirror you want to use to download it with, and I usually just pick the one on the top. And then I save it to disk. But I already have it downloaded, so we're just going to skip that, so you don't have to wait here 5 minutes for me to download it. And now we'll just extract this. Windows users, you'll notice the tar.gz extension here. It's kind of like a zip file. It's a form of compression that's used a lot in Linux. So I'll go ahead and open this up here. And it's still opening. Pretty large file. sees this little folder here that has all of our Eclipse stuff in it. So we'll go ahead and extract it, and I'll just extract it right to the desktop. Again, Windows users, not much different than extracting a zip file. You'll end up doing pretty much the same thing. You'll just extract it right to the desktop, or actually wherever you want the folder to be. It doesn't matter. And it is extracting it right now. Takes a little bit. Alright. And there we have it. Now we have this Eclipse folder, and you open it up, and you'll want to go to this Eclipse icon here. It'll probably look slightly different on Windows. And Eclipse is now starting up. So you don't have to do this big fancy installation. You just download your compressed file and unzip or untar the folder to the desktop and start it up. And now it's asking me what workspace directory I want to use to put all my Java files and classes and folders. That's pretty much what the workspace is. It's just where you want to store all of those things. And this is where all of your Eclipse work will go. And you can choose to put it wherever you like. I'm just going to leave it as a default. Windows users, you'll see something like C:\/ program files, workspace, or something similar to that. Again, it doesn't matter where you put it. So I'm just going to use this default and keep it that way so it doesn't keep asking me every time I start it up. And now it's starting the rest of Eclipse here. All right. And here we have Eclipse. This is the bare bones environment. I don't have any projects or any files or anything going on. This is pretty much how it should look. Although sometimes sometimes you'll see this welcome screen that's about to pop up here. And here's most likely what you're going to see whenever it starts up. You'll have this overview and what's new, samples, tutorials, workbench, and you can go through these things if you like. It'll help you get familiarized with Eclipse. But I just mainly wanted to show you how to get it up and running, and that's pretty much how to do it. Thank you.